pray for everything that you see is lacking. And you know what the Chiddush of Rabbi Nachman is? It's not all you can do. It is the greatest thing you can do. It's not that you're limited because all you can do is ask Hashem about it. That is your godless. That is your greatness. It's clear from all of the sages that the weapon of the Jewish people is your own mouth. Whether it's from Chassidut, or it's from the Ashkenazim of the Lithuanian world, or it is the tzaddikim and of the Mekabalim, or the tzaddikim of the Sephardim, everyone agrees. There is no dispute in this area. The weapon of a Jew is his mouth. Some people say, what do you use it for? To learn Torah and to say it out loud. Some people say, what do? You pray. Some people, what do you say? You do a kind word. You say something nice to somebody. But nobody disagrees that your weapon in this world is your mouth. So what do? Hashem says, Anochi Hashem Elokecha, I am Hashem your God. I took you out of Mitzrayim. What's the end of that? Open your mouth and I will fill it.